guys, back with y'all with get y'all's a course with D. Look at a new Hyundai Sonata SEL. Let me show y'all guys around this thing. This one is the new bike style. New headlights in the front. Nice little change up for Hyundai. Actually feel these new headlights, guys. I like them. Go all the way across the front. Good looking sedan, guys. Good looking sedan. They got the new tail lights in the back. Feel out how they got the black piece across the back of the trunk. I like that. Super clean setup in the back. This one priced a little bit over $31,000, guys. Not too bad in price. Show y'all guys the inside. Pretty nice setup. This one do got the long screen across the dash. One of the new features of their newer cars. Pretty clean setup, guys. Let me show y'all. I see a lot of these cars on the road, guys. I've been wanting to get a review on this car for the longest. I'm not really sure what this dash is made out of. It look like carbon fiber a little bit, but it's not. It's nice though. Got your nice touchscreen monitor down here for your air conditioner. Regular knobs to turn it to hot or cold, but the rest of the screen is touchscreen. I like that. Got all your different drive modes down here, guys. A little bit over $31,000, guys. This car could be y'all's. Do you think I think the car worth $31,000? I'll let y'all come by here and look at it yourself and decide yourself. I like it. I do think it is worth the price, but I have saw other cars around this price that I'd rather have. It's not me down in the car. It just, to me, I'm not really feeling a lot of this stuff. Like the dashboard right here, and I feel it really, it's like it's kind of a little bit cheap made, a little bit. I do like the big screen set up across the dash. I feel like the steering wheel look kind of cheap to me. It don't have no kind of logo or nothing on it. If I vote this car from 1 to 10, I'll probably give it a 7, guys. Not bad, not good. Thing about Hyundai, they do come with a pretty awesome warranty. That's the only thing I like about them. Show y'all the back seat of this thing, guys. Back seat pretty roomy. Again, this car is $31,155. Thanks again, guys, for watching my channel. Stay tuned for more videos.